Welcome everybody. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on the BTCMobick paper wallet. So here are the paper wallets. So they're very, very beautiful. You can see these are fantastically designed. So this is a second design, an iteration on the original design. And basically, obviously, they are made of paper. So this paper itself, it's probably a little bit more like card, and it basically acts like money. So this is somewhere where you can store your BTCMobick, and also you can store your Bitcoin and any fork of Bitcoin onto these paper wallets. So first of all, just the functionality of the wallet. On this side here, this is your public key. So when you upload this onto an application, you'll only be able to receive by this public key. This here is a film coding that protects the private key. So just to give you an example, I have actually covered up I've scratched it out and I've covered up the private key there, but it will show the private key on the wallet and it will actually be able to scan that onto the application so you can actually use it to send and receive. Now, this, like I said, is an invention by Otemin. So this is basically a form of money. So with this is probably, if not the safest form of storing your BTCMobick and Bitcoin. So for example, if you have a nano ledger or something that you have to plug into the computer, this is a potential point of failure. So there have been instances where people have had their Bitcoin hacked as a result of this. So years of work, I heard of a story of years of work, somebody storing their Bitcoin on the ledger, just DCAing into this ledger, and one day it actually got hacked. Whereas this can't be hacked. So this is cold storage, it cannot be hacked, and it's completely safe. Nobody can actually access it unless they have this private key. So you want to keep that private key safe at all times. Now, what you could actually do if you had hundreds of Bitcoin, good on you, and if you did have hundreds of Bitcoin, you could have hundreds of these wallets and you could store one Bitcoin per wallet. You could store multiple Bitcoins per wallet. You could keep it in a safe. You could keep it at a bank. This is what some people actually do, and it's incredibly safe. And also, this is a fantastic way to actually take money from one country to another without actually having to declare your assets. So obviously when you take $10,000 overseas, with this, you don't actually have to declare it because they won't actually classify it as a legal tender because it's just got your Bitcoin or your BTCMobick on there. So it's a fantastic way of storing anything. Now, it's also waterproof and fireproof, or rather water resistant and fire resistant. So it's not completely foolproof, but if there was a flame, if there was a fire, it would very, 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 very slowly burn. So it's supposed to be more resistant and same as water. And you'd actually know that because it's more of like a plastic paper, kind of a film coating. So essentially, this is what it's all about. And I'm going to actually show you how to use this on the apps now. Okay, so let's upload a BTCMobick paper wallet onto our BTCMobick app. So press the plus in the top right, scan QR code, here's my wallet, go to the QR code, and your wallet has been successfully imported. Now, going down to that wallet, bingo, here we go. So here's the imported wallet showing the different, just showing the 1.1 Mobick, which equals 10 million BIC. So there we have it, it's as simple as that. Now the same thing, we're going to upload it onto the blue wallet because it also has Bitcoin stored on it. So add wallet, Bitcoin, import wallet, scan or import file, and your wallet has been successfully imported. This is watch only, so there we go. So we've got 0.0001 BTC on that wallet. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to upload the paper wallet, but uploading it through the private key. So I've already pre-scratched it, so I'm just going to show you. So I've pre-scratched it here. So under there is the private key. So anyone, once they have that private key, can access this wallet and extract from it. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this wallet, scan the QR code, and you have to make sure that you scratch every last bit of coding from the QR code so it uploads nice and easy. Choose a discoverable watch, import. So it's all done automatically. So now you'll see that it is a blue wallet, so I can receive and send from here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to send this point oh, well, put 0.09 because it's going to need some for the fee. So let's actually put, oh wow, okay, so it's going to need a very small amount, and then the address. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy from here, so receive, so I'm going to send into this particular wallet here, which has got 0.001. And then I'm going to go here, send my 0.1. So send. I might not be able to send the full 0.099. Let's put 0.099. Let's copy that address into here. So paste. And let's press next. And send now. And it's sent. So now if I refresh this, there's not much left in there. So you can also see the transaction history here. Now I'm going to go into this wallet and you'll see that it's being sent into this wallet. There we have it.